Good morning, Mr. Smith. Thank you for coming in today. How can I assist you?
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. I'm here because I'm facing some legal issues regarding my business, and I need your advice on how to proceed.
Of course, I am here to help. Please, tell me more about the situation you are facing.
Well, recently, there have been some disputes with one of our suppliers over a contract. They claim we breached the terms, but I believe they are in the wrong. I'm worried about potential litigation and the impact it could have on my company.
I see. Let's start by reviewing the contract in question. Do you have a copy with you?
Yes, I brought it along. Here it is.
Thank you. I will take a look at this. In the meantime, could you provide me with a detailed account of the events leading up to this dispute?
Certainly. About 2 months ago, our supplier failed to deliver a significant portion of the goods we ordered within the agreed-upon timeframe. This delay caused disruptions in our production schedule and led to financial losses for our company. We notified them of their breach of contract and requested compensation for the damages incurred. However, they are now claiming that we failed to meet certain obligations outlined in the contract, which is simply not true.
I understand the situation better now. Based on what you have told me, it seems like you have a strong case. However, it's essential to proceed carefully to protect your interests. Have you attempted to resolve the dispute through negotiation or mediation?
Yes, we have tried to resolve it amicably, but unfortunately, the supplier has been unwilling to cooperate. It seems like they're intent on pursuing legal action.
In that case, we will need to prepare a solid defense strategy. I will carefully review the contract and gather any relevant evidence to support your position. It's crucial to identify any potential weaknesses in their argument and counter them effectively. Additionally, we can explore alternative dispute resolution methods to potentially avoid lengthy and costly litigation.
That sounds like a good plan. I'm relieved to have you on my side, Mr. Johnson. I was feeling quite overwhelmed by the situation before coming to you for help.
I'm here to alleviate your concerns and guide you through this process every step of the way. It's my priority to achieve the best possible outcome for you and your business. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.
Thank you for your reassurance, Mr. Johnson. I feel much more confident about facing this challenge now. I will make sure to keep you updated on any developments regarding the case.
Absolutely, Mr. Smith. Communication is key, so please feel free to contact me whenever you have updates or questions. Now, let's discuss the next steps. I will begin by conducting a thorough analysis of the contract and any relevant documentation to build a strong defense strategy.
That sounds like a good plan. I'm relieved to have you on my side, Mr. Johnson. I was feeling quite overwhelmed by the situation before coming to you for help.
Yes, if you have any correspondence, emails, or records related to the contract or the dispute, please gather those for me. Every piece of evidence can be valuable in supporting our case. Additionally, if there were any witnesses to the events or if there's any other pertinent information you think I should know, please share that with me as well.
Understood. I will compile all the relevant documents and information and send them over to you as soon as possible.
Excellent. Once I have everything, I will review it thoroughly and schedule a follow-up meeting with you to discuss our strategy in more detail. In the meantime, if you have any urgent questions or if there are any developments, don't hesitate to contact me.
I appreciate your promptness and attention to detail, Mr. Johnson. Dealing with legal matters can be quite daunting, but I feel much more at ease knowing that you are handling it.
It's my pleasure, Mr. Smith. I'm here to provide you with expert guidance and support throughout this process. Together, we will work towards achieving the best possible outcome for your business. Rest assured, I will do everything in my power to protect your interests and resolve this dispute favorably.
Thank you once again, Mr. Johnson. I'm confident that with your expertise, we will be able to navigate through this challenging situation successfully.
You are very welcome, Mr. Smith. I will be in touch soon with further updates. In the meantime, take care, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Hello again, Mr. Smith. I hope you have been well since our last conversation. I have thoroughly reviewed the documents and information you provided regarding the dispute with your supplier.
Hello, Mr. Johnson. Yes, I have been doing all right, thank you. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on the matter.
Based on my review, it appears that the contract terms are indeed in your favor, and there are clear breaches on the part of the supplier regarding the delivery timeline and quantity of goods provided. Additionally, I have identified several pieces of evidence that strengthen your position, including email correspondence and records of the disrupted production schedule.
That's reassuring to hear, Mr. Johnson. Does this mean we have a strong case to defend against their claims?
Absolutely. I believe we have a solid foundation to dispute their allegations and pursue a resolution that is favorable to your company. However, it's essential to remain proactive and strategic in our approach. I propose that we initiate formal communication with the supplier, presenting our findings and reiterating our willingness to resolve the matter amicably.
Agreed. I think it's worth attempting to resolve the dispute through negotiation before escalating it further. What steps do you recommend we take next?
I will draft a detailed response outlining our position, citing specific clauses from the contract and providing evidence to support our claims. We will emphasize our willingness to cooperate while firmly asserting our rights under the agreement. Once the response is finalized, I will share it with you for your review before sending it to the supplier.
That sounds like a plan, Mr. Johnson. Thank you for your proactive approach and attention to detail. I'm confident that with your guidance, we will be able to navigate through this dispute successfully.
It's my pleasure, Mr. Smith. Resolving legal matters efficiently and effectively is what I'm here for. I will get started on drafting the response right away and keep you updated on any developments. In the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you once again, Mr. Johnson. I appreciate your dedication to our case. I will be eagerly awaiting your next update.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. I will be in touch soon. Take care, and have a great day.